You are going to love the 2020 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, driver convenience group, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.